FIRMUS designs, builds, and deploys and operates AI factories. And one of the peculiar things about our company and our mission is really about creating the most efficient AI infrastructure. And our strategy really focuses from model to grid. So we look at every single possible touch point where energy is consumed, right through from the compute itself, the thermal management, the power, and the integration of the grid. And of course, part of that is actually our infrastructure, our accelerated compute layers. We really want to make sure every watt counts in this ecosystem, and energy, demand for these systems is even bigger. We want to make sure that we're driving the best efficiency possible.
Our customer base is something they ask for multiple things, right? So some just want block, some just want also the S3. So it was quite a flexible way that it helped us to configure it. Sometimes S3 run it on the file system that running on top of the block storage, BFS file system, or S3 run it on a different one. So there's a flexibility that we can use in the WEKA. When we actually start the larger cluster, that was when we were started to actually onboard the WEKA at the plant. So time to deploy was really short. WEKA was pretty striking in a way that there's a performance, and also there's a software-defined kind of setup so that we can just deploy it. As long as we have a certified hardware, we can just deploy it. And so time to bring it up is really fast. As part of the whole benchmarking for the whole infrastructure, that include network, compute, and storage, we are thinking about that, why don't we do the NeuralMesh AMG benchmark? I think it's because of the AMG KV cache that's scanning that very able to form the very large capacity for that. So that means that in that context window could be very large one, especially that could be really useful for the inference or the tokens that require the large cache area. So we push all the limits of how the GPU scales. The storage is performant as fast as the network, and the results are exciting. And then when I share it to my network and then my internal team, they're like, wow, this is really awesome. Right? So this is something that a lot of people are interested in. Optimization of every layer, infrastructure need to be reliable, and then every layer need to be efficient. That will reduce the cost of the tokens. Right? So every layer is important.
With this type of capability and working with the WEKA team, we can engineer out obsolescence. We can now bring in an existing GPU system or GPU-based system to market that's ready for the next generation of workloads without having to redeploy and throw out the old and bring in a whole new system. We have a pre-established relationship with WEKA for a number of years now, so I think that will continue into the future. And what I love about WEKA is the engineer engagement. They're very much a technical entity, just like ourselves, so we're out to solve problems and bring value to customers.